everyone, I am Nam Nguyen, guiding you to career in life and you are truly enjoying. And today's video, I'm going to teach you 4 key steps on how to improve your communication skill, whether you are talking to just one person or a whole group of people, so that you can feel natural at ease and confidence. And if you struggle with communication, then this may also be you, where you are in a situation where you are talking to a people and you find that the conversation is very unnatural. It's forced and it doesn't really go anywhere. And you find that the other people is struggling to hold their interest in you, and you feel that there's something wrong with you because of the way that you are communicating to them, and you find that the other people is struggling to hold their interest in you, and you feel that there's something wrong with you because of the way you are communicating to them. This can easily happen in a situation where you are at let's say a networking event and you have to talk to a group of strangers where you just feel awkward, you feel unnatural, and you are not able to really develop connection with anyone. So today I'm going to teach you 4 steps that will really help you to improve your communication skill, whether you are in a social setting or a professional setting, so that you can feel more confident and at each step. Step number 1, listen intently. Now I know what you are thinking. How can communication be a listening when really it's about talking? You assume that to improve your communication skill is really about your ability to speak, right? Well, yes and no. The key thing that communication is you are able to listen intently to the other person. You are able to hear what they are really saying beyond the words that are coming out of their mouth. You're gonna be able to add more value to the conversation because you are gonna be able to say something that is beyond what it is that they are just talking about at surface level. Listen intently, it doesn't just mean using your ear and hear what the people is saying. It is being able to get a sense of what they are trying to express their idea, or maybe what they are not trying to express their idea as well. So it's really about using intuition as well, just as being able to read a person, hear the word that is coming out of their mouth, but also hear what is it when they are talking about that. And whenever you can do this exercise where you are really extending yourself in a way that you are really listening and paying attention to someone, automatically they feel that you are more engaged with them, and they are more likely to share and to talk with you, to feel comfortable around you. That is the key part of being a good communicator. And step number 2, respond praises that relate to what that person is talking about. You can start off with praises such as, that is interesting because I can relate, because that's true. Starting your communication with this type of words and show that you are interesting and engage to the other person. So that if you want people to interest you or engage you, you are communicating with them, you first have to give an energy. Saying things like, that's true because blah blah blah. Show that you can relate and validate that what the other person is saying. And that is what as human being we are all looking to do, to be validated, to be heard by other people, and to feel connected to those that we are talking to. Step number 3, to improve your communication skill, tell your story as a part of conversation. So tell the story that relates to what a person is talking about. And it had to be something that has its relation. As I was saying, the good story follows the same pattern as a movie. Think of any movie you watch, and when you can break it down, there are actually 3 key parts to the movie called SAR. An acronym stands for situation, action, and result. The majority of the movie is made up of situation. It is the setting of the story and getting to know the character, the story, the situation. The second part of the movie is the action, where the good guy fight the bad guy. So you are actually seeing what is the step. And the third part of the movie is the storyline and is simply the conclusion. When you can learn to tell your story using these types of structure, it's going to make the other person feel engaged, more interested in you. Step number 4 is practice. So to improve your communication skill, practice ahead of time what you are going to say. Even you are going to meet someone, you are going to have a conversation with someone or some group of people, or you are going to have a presentation. The most important thing is you need to practice first, so it can help to improve your communication skill. So thank you so much for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time. Bye.